It's small, but it ain't. Small, but it ain't. But yep, I'm about to get this thing jacked up. Get it jacked up. Back on the jack stands. What's good with y'all? What's good with y'all? We checking in for another video. As you can tell by the title, it's not good, but I try to keep y'all updated on everything that's going on. It is something small. I mean, it's small, but it ain't. Small, but it ain't. But yep, I'm about to get this thing jacked up. Get it jacked up. Back on the jack stands. Because transmission worked great. The transmission is, like I said when they first got it back in, transmission A1 Showtime transmission rebuilds. Make sure to hit them up. Number is down in the description. Always make sure to hit them up, man. Just transmission is killer. Like, transmission is crazy. But I think I got a converter problem. I got some whining noise and at idle, which means more than likely it's a converter problem. I got some whining going on when you get the RPMs up, and I'm not finna chance it, man. I'm not finna send no metal through this transmission. So what I'm about to do is drain all the fluid out. I'm finna get the transmission out, show y'all the process again. Then y'all don't never see me turn wrenches. You about to see me get this transmission out of this car. So yeah, I'm about to take this thing out. Probably gonna take me about an hour and a half, cause I'm using hand tools. If I had some power tools, I'd easily have it out way faster. It's pretty simple. It's just pretty simple. So I'm about to get it jacked up, get on the jack stands. So yeah, let's get to it. Y'all see the daylight outside right now. It's kind of bright, but it's all good. The meat's over there. So I'm finna get this thing on jack stands. I'm finna get to it. Let's go. First thing I do, for one, disconnect the battery, cause I already know the starter gotta come off. My battery, in case you didn't know, in case you missed some videos or you just now subscribing and haven't went through the inventory, my battery is back here. Y'all see, it's a nice little setup car, and all you do is twist these. That one all ate up. Twist these, and this right here come out. Come out. Need to connect my speaker back, and voila, there go the battery. And let me see, gotta be careful, man, cause I done made a mistake and hit that thing, and you know, with the wrench. So just come around here. And hit that a little bit. Then you really ain't gotta hit it one time. I mean, most of y'all know how to do this now. Some people may not know. Who knows? Boom, battery loose. I always wrap that up. I'm finna go get some probably a SHOWTIME, wrap that up just to make sure it don't touch and connect, cause see, that can happen right there. You don't want that. So let me get a SHOWTIME. Finna get this car jacked up and finna get to it. Alright, so got the car on jack stands again. I believe this is the longer part of the process, no lie. Jacking the car. So I got on the jack stand. Now I'm finna really get to it. So I just want to throw that in the video, man. This take more time than anything to me. So I'm gonna tell you how I'm gonna do this. Let y'all see it too. I'm gonna hit the I work from back to front when I'm putting it in, front to back. So I'm gonna hit the drive shaft bolts, 4 of them, boom boom. Then I'm gonna come and well, I actually don't work. I ain't gonna hit I hit the transmission housing bolt last, but I'm gonna hit the drive shaft. Then I'm gonna hit the cross member and the torque arm. Get that out the way. Slide on up. Take the starter off. And torque converter bolts. I'm gonna hit the lines last so I can drain them in the drip pan. Then go ahead and hit the converter bolts, and this thing will be out. So y'all see it's still light outside. I'm just showing y'all that for a reason. So I'm finna get this thing out. And it should still be light outside. It's the evening. It's about let me see, it's 6:16, so it get dark about 7:45 or something like that. So if it get dark, y'all know about how long I took. So let's go. All right, so this the drive shaft, 12mm for mine. You have to have a wrench, cause I got star bolts. Well, 12 points, and for people want to be technical, 12 point. So you need 12mm. You cannot use the open end, it ain't gonna fit. So I'm finna hit these 4 bolts. Then my bad, I'm laying on my back, so look. Then I'm gonna come up on here, hit the I don't take this. ISO got to it, dog. Then I'm gonna hit this I'm gonna hit the torque arm right there, that 1 bolt. Y'all see some stuff broke off. I'm gonna change, I'm gonna get a better cross member. 2 bolts right here, I'm gonna take that off. The transmission will stay up. Oh, I forgot, I'm gonna have to hit this. Take that, I'm gonna take that off and tran brake 1 wire. Boom, I already did that. And let me see, hit the cable. I keep the cable attached so I ain't gotta adjust it. Just hit your pan bolts. That's it. Take the pin out. Then, like I said, starter. I'm gonna go up there and I'm gonna hit that starter and hit them torque converter bolts. I'm gonna hit my lines last, let them drain out in the pan. And on this car, the fight for this car, it's a LS, so you know it uses 5 transmission bolts. You got two over here, 2 over there, and 1 up top. That's the boy. Hey, that's the grown man up there, 1 up top. So out of this whole removal, this probably gonna take the longest. So I'm finna stop recording. Next time I check in, y'all probably gonna see the transmission out, cause I'm not gonna record the rest of y'all seen the process one time. And yeah, I know it's upside down, man. I didn't look. So next time y'all see it's gonna be out, then I'm gonna tell y'all the plans for the torque converter. See, it's dark. It ain't pitch black dark, but it looked like it on the camera. Well, there you go. You can see a little bit. It ain't pitch black dark, but almost close enough. But yeah, I got the thing out. There it is, sit on the ground. That guy right there got to go. It's a PTC, a good converter, but I'm pretty sure when the transmission tore up, metal went all through it, so it's whining. Transmission in great shape, works perfect. So it's out. Short video, just to keep y'all updated. Got it out. Look, hold on. I'm all sweaty and junk. You can't tell. There you can see it. Same clothes, so y'all don't be saying, "Hey, J Malcolm did some of your editing magic and you didn't do it." But yeah, I knocked it out. Like I said, I know how to do a lot of this stuff. I just sometimes I don't feel like it. But I got a new converter on the way. Man, y'all gonna love the next video. I'm gonna even show y'all. I'm gonna take y'all to the place. I'm gonna show y'all how he make it, how we gonna do it. Y'all gonna see all of that. And y'all probably gonna want to shop with him. I'm telling you, converter about to be fine. It's gonna be even better than that one. I think that one was rated to 800 horsepower, 700 to 800. They're well rated too. So we about to get one even better. Get it popped in, then I'm gonna put the transmission back in, and finally y'all get the rest of the stuff hooked up. Like I said, we got the HURON Speed Turbo Kit right here, ready to go on. Still waiting on the intercooler to get here. Maybe it'll be here tomorrow. If it does, show y'all that. There'll be another video. And you know, I got something to talk to everybody about anyway, the decision I made for this car and the rest of my cars and the rest of my bills. So you definitely gonna want to tune in. So that's it. Like I said, transmission is out, and tune in for the next video. Probably dropping this week. I should have a converter this week, next week at the latest, and it'll be back in and back on the ground. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Appreciate all the new subscribers. Appreciate all the old subscribers, the ones been rocking from day one. And we out.